Insta.
So me and my girl here, this is Tallulah, we're heading to Le Brevier. We're gonna smash a red slope coming down, and then I think we're gonna like head off the black. And I think that these lads, this is Toby, and then this guy here is Will. Hey Will. And then we're gonna just like shred. We're just gonna shred the whole fucking way down. It's gonna be sick, mate. It's gonna be so fucking sick.
So we just made it for first lifts. We're heading up to Fournay side now. I'm going to do a few runs up here. Then later when the other boys wake up, because there's a few sore heads because everyone went out, we're going to hit the park, get a few laps in and see how it goes. See you later. Sun is still shining, but it's getting a bit busier on the slopes. We're going to head down to Lays now and try and get the Olympic up, and then hit the Val-d'Isère sign and hit the park. We found some friends.